Miriam, and guess what? I have another low carb calorie dish for you today that you are going to absolutely love. I know you are. This is a low carb pizza and it's done the keto way, but I'm not going to do it by myself. I have my gorgeous niece, Chatnetta, who's going to help me do this.
Hello world, how are you? I'm super excited for this healthy dish.
Because we are actually on our way to a healthier, thinner us, right?
Yes.
It's going to be healthier and thinner. So first of all, what you have to do first is let's show you the ingredients. But remember, whatever ingredients you want to make, why I do that? Whatever ingredients you want to make, you can use whatever ingredients you want to use, okay? So I'm going to start off telling you some of the ingredients, and then Chanetta's going to give you the rest. So what we have here is mushrooms and tomatoes fresh. Now, this is the key. Everything here is fresh. Everything is fresh. So we have freshly cut tomatoes and fresh mushrooms.
Next, we have our green peppers as well as our red peppers and onions. We also have our chicken and pepperoni. We have our shredded mozzarella cheese and our pizza sauce.
Okay, so what you gonna do next, Chanel? Tell her.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is spray this pan on our baking pans. I don't have to spray it because I've already done it. So we use this first. And then, Miriam, before we talk about our tortilla bread.
Oh, now this is it. This is why this is so low carb. Look at this. This is called Mission Tortilla bread. And this is what you make tacos out of. But what we're going to do today, because this has only 4 net carbs in it, we're going to use this to be our pizza dough. It works just as well. You can always improvise. So here we have, this is called Mission, and it's only 4 net carbs. You are going to love this. So we're going to let Chatnetta, put our tortilla bread on. Here you go, you can do that.
All right. We always wash our hands first.
Of course.
I've already done
You
that.
can do it on this one first, and then we'll do the rest. Okay, this is going to be good. Look at this. And while she's doing that, I'm going to show you something else that you could do, that you could use. So you can keep talking, honey.
Okay. So as you can see, I am just taking our tortilla bread out and placing it on our baking pan. I got extra ones. All right. We get our pizza sauce.
Okay, so she's getting the pizza sauce, so you see that. And how are we going to put the pizza sauce? But while she's putting the pizza sauce on, I'm going to just take a station identification break and tell you about a nice dessert that you can eat while you're on keto. So look at this. I found this at Walmart, and they also have it at Food Lion. And this is called Carb Smart Breyers Almond Bars. If you get a taste, if you decide, I need something sweet, I need something chocolate, this only has 5 net carbs and 5 grams of sugar. That's it. But the thing about it is, it tastes absolutely amazing. I took one of these and I just wanted to eat the whole box at one time, but of course, you cannot do that. But this was absolutely amazing. So while we're making the sauce, I was going to eat one of these, but I'm not going to do it. I'm going to save this for dessert, okay? So what else you doing, Chatnetta?
All right, still spreading the sauce on the little tortilla.
Okay, I'm going to let them see it while you do the other one. Now, she likes to be heavy on her sauce. But on mine, I'm going to ask her, make my sauce a little lighter. But here you have everything, the sauce on here, and it's going to be amazing. And this is something about the sauce, too. The sauce I got, I think it was by Paul Newman. But this sauce only had 4 carbs in it. That's it. It said 4 carbs per 1/4 cup. So one of these pizzas it's not even 1/4 cup of sauce up here. That's why we have to be lenient on your sauce. But it's 4 carbs per 1/4 of a cup of sauce, okay? So we're gonna see, that's why you can't be heavy-handed on the sauce. But some people real heavy-handed, so now we're gonna have to snatch from some of the other sauce. I mean, she was pouring this sauce on.
I was sauce
I
happy.
was sauce happy. Now look, now Chatnetta, let me see here. What?
Scrape some more.
We're gonna scrape some more off of the other ones. Now, what kind of work do you do, Chatnetta?
Well, I am a human resource manager for a home health agency. I've been there for quite a while now. I've been in the HR business for about maybe 10 years now.
Okay, so is cooking kind of like your hobby?
It's definitely my hobby. I am a mother of 4, so you know how that is. 4
Yeah.
hungry children.
Yeah, so this meal, I think, would be something that you can do quick and very, 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 very easy because it's not a lot to do. So we're gonna both start I'm gonna preheat the oven. Now preheat the oven to about 375, and these are gonna cook for about 15 minutes, okay? So let me start that while she's starting to put the cheese on, and I'm gonna help her. So we're putting on the cheese now. And you can be, we have more cheese, so cheese is really important to me. Cheese is very important to me, so we're gonna put this cheese on. So we're putting the cheese on now. More cheese, please. More cheese, please. More cheese. Oh my goodness, I'm getting excited because this is going to taste amazing. I am really getting excited about this cheese. I don't know why, but I'm getting really excited about this cheese because this is going to be good. Now we're going to get some more cheese because I like to put cheese on the top and on the bottom.
I am heavy
Now
on the
see,
cheese.
she heavy. Now
And
look,
I'm heavy on the sauce. I'm heavy on it all, okay?
let me tell you this.
I gotta
She
have it all.
has took all the cheese, and so now we need to get some more. So we have production getting us some more cheese right now. So now that we put the cheese on, now she can make her pizza the way she wants to. That's why I always say, do not let anybody stifle your creativity.
Right.
Whatever way you want to do it is the way you do it. You do it your way because what I like may not be what you like. So we are getting ready to get this. I like to put my tomatoes on first. So I'm going to do these 3 and she's going to take care of those. Now another thing I like is hot peppers. So production is going to get me some jalapeno peppers from out the side.
And I am heavy on the onions.
Onions, so we got onions. I'm going to start with the tomatoes. So we have our tomatoes here. That's what I'm going to start on. I'm going to push this over. Okay, so I'm going to do my tomatoes first. And you may not want tomatoes on your pizza. I don't know. But I really think tomatoes taste amazing on pizza.
Amazing.
It's like it's roasted or something. And remember, when you do your tomatoes, make sure you cut them really thin. Don't try to make, real thick tomatoes. Make them thin. Okay, I want to see, some jalapenos. Thank you, production. Production is on the ball today.
Definitely.
So we have our jalapeno peppers. I'm just gonna put this on one of the pizzas because everybody does not like that. So now we're doing the jalapeno. And for you that are on this keto journey, drop some of your easy recipes in. Let us see some of the things that you do with yours,
Yes, please share.
Share. We're gonna get ready, keep right on putting these jalapenos on here. I'm just gonna put them on, like I said, I'm only putting them on one of the pizzas, not on all of them, but I'm gonna saturate this pizza in jalapeno peppers. Now, if you are like me, you brave, you like the jalapenos. I really, really do like them. So we have the jalapenos on here. Now I'm gonna put some mushrooms up here on these. Nice old mushrooms. And you can get these mushrooms from any store. Any store that you like, whatever kind of mushrooms you like. Remember, don't let nobody stifle your creativity. I'm telling you that right. Don't let them stifle your creativity. Be creative with your pizza. And this is don't you think this is something you and the kids can do?
Yes, this would be really nice and fun for the children.
They can do it together. This is something you can do together.
Family bonding time. Always create memories with your children.
That's right.
It goes a long way.
It really does. It really does. So my kids have memories with me cooking, but I don't know if they were good memories. May not have been too good memories. But they had some memories. But this looking good. It is definitely looking. Do you need more tomatoes?
I am done.
You done with yours?
I'm
Okay.
definitely done. I already topped it off with my cheese.
Did you put the onions and everything on it too?
I sure did.
Oh man, she's
Oh,
going
I'm on
fast.
it. Okay, I'm hungry too, y'all.
She
I'm
is
definitely
hungry.
on it.
And she's doing her stuff fast. I still have to put. Now I take my she, Speedy Gonzalez. You have to take your time, to make everything a masterpiece.
Mm-hmm.
See, this is gonna be a masterpiece right here. So you have to take your time, put it on here real good here. Now this is so pretty. It is just so pretty with all the colors. And before I top it off with the cheese, I'm gonna just let you see how beautiful this pizza is. I think presentation is just about everything.
It definitely is.
Presentation. Now I'm gonna put the onions on here.
Mm-hmm.
Woo, child. Now here we got the onions. Put some more onions on. You can be stingy with the onions, or you cannot be stingy with the onions. It's up to you.
Looks so good.
This looks amazing. Looks absolutely amazing. I'm going as fast as I can, but put some more onions on here. And now the cream, the chicken. Put this chicken on here. Look at it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is going to be delicious. I wish I could invite all of you for dinner. But just think about when we start eating this, we're going to be thinking about all of you.
Each and every last one of you.
This is going to be amazing. So we're going to just keep it on with this. Oh my goodness. This chicken. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I got to remember which one I put the jalapenos on too. Now, the pepperoni is an art. Now I put mine like boom, 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 boom. See that? Yeah, boom. One more, boom. Yes, boom. Yes. I'm getting excited. Woo! Woo, child. This is going to be amazing. Look at it. Boom, boom, boom,
Boom.
Yeah, say boom when you do it.
Come on.
Boom. Hey. Boom. Yes. Oh my goodness. Look at this. It's going to be so good.
Yes.
Now, before I put on the, I'm gonna put some more pepperoni on mine. Here we go right there. Now, before I put on the cheese, I want you to see. Just look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Is it still? Look at this. It's good. All right. Now, what's wrong?
Nothing.
Production looking like something is wrong. Let's top it off with the cheese.
Here you go.
Cheese. More. Like Steve Urkel. More cheese, please. More cheese, please. Here we go. One more time. More cheese, please. Hey. Woo. This is going to be good. 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 Yes. Now, we're going to open up the oven. Oh, Lord.
Remember to take everything out of the oven before we reheat.
Uh-oh. Hopefully he didn't burn up. Now that's some good Tupperware right there. It was in the oven and didn't even burn up. We're going to put it on the bottom. And we will be back. These biscuits cook. I don't know who had Rubbermaid is good because he was in the oven preheating and nothing happened. But we're getting ready to go and we're going to do some stuff. We'll be back in 15 minutes to let you know how it tasted.
See you then.
We're back and this is the finished product and it smells, it smells so good. Smell it, Chatnetta.
Yes.
Oh, it smells good. Now,
Oh, I can't wait.
It may smell good. It may smell good, but now we need to find out
If it tastes
does
good.
it taste good. Now here is the taste test. Which one is mine?
That's yours.
This is mine because I had jalapeno peppers on mine. So we're getting ready to taste it. Is it good? Here we go.
Wait, this one goes real, y'all. It's really good.
I love it. This food is so good, it makes you do the dance. I'm telling you, this is delicious. OMG. You really have to make this pizza with this. It's low carb too, so it's healthy.
Yeah, this is really good.
Oh my goodness. eat smart.